Hi everyone and welcome to another video. The video today was filmed on the afternoon of Sunday the 29th of August, roughly between about 2 o'clock and 4:30. To begin with, we see the dredger City of London sailing up the river to Charlton in London. Coming down the river, we see the general cargo ship Lady Dawn on a sailing from Tilbury. Lady Dawn was built in 2009 and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. It is 94.7 metres long, 13.4 metres wide, and has a draft of 4.5 metres. Here we see Lady Dawn passing the general cargo ship Shannon. Shannon has a draft of 3.7 metres and was at anchor throughout the video.
So originally we were going to just drive along to see, find a parking here, but then it's just so close home. It is high on us.
The blue ship in the background over at Sheerness is the vehicle carrier Emerald Leader. Here we can see Lady Dawn passing the pier. The building you can see in the middle of the screen is the Southend RNLI lifeboat station at the end of Southend Pier. The next vessel coming downriver was the hopper dredger Mellina on a sailing from Cliffe. Coming upriver was the bulk carrier Starnes on a sailing to Northfleet. Mellina was built in 2002 and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. Its home port is Vlissingen. It is 95 metres long, 16.95 metres wide, and has a draft of 4 metres. Starnes was built in 2020 and sails under the flag of Antigua Barbuda. It is 190 metres long, 29 metres wide, and has a draft of 10.5 metres. Here we see Mellina and Starnes passing each other. The next vessel upriver was the tanker STI Wembley on a sailing inbound to Canvey Island. Here Mellina and STI Wembley pass near the end of the pier. STI Wembley was built in 2014 and sails under the flag of the Marshall Islands. It is 184 metres long, 27.4 metres wide, and has a draft of 11.4 metres. The next vessel upriver was the cement carrier Encofrador, sailing to Northfleet. Encofrador was built in 1982 and sailed under the flag of Spain. Its home port is Las Palmas. It is 107 metres long, 17 metres wide, and has a draft of 6.9 metres. During the bank holiday weekend, some vintage open-top buses ran along the seafront, and you can see some of them now. The next vessel upriver was the container ship Mole Gratitude on a sailing up to London Gateway. Mole Gratitude was built in 2012 and sails under the flag of Hong Kong. Its home port is also Hong Kong. It is 275.07 metres long, 40.04 metres wide, and has a draft of 10.8 metres. Here we see Mole Gratitude pass the bulk carrier Kian, which is sailing downriver on a sailing from Tilbury to Bremerhaven in Germany. Cian is a new ship having been built in 2021 and it sails under the flag of Singapore. It is 180 metres long, 30 metres wide and has a draft of 6.6 metres. The final ship in the video today is the general cargo ship EEMS Sprinter, and we see it sailing up the river from Flixborough to Erith. Here we can see Cian and EEMS Sprinter passing each other. As we come to the end of the video, I would like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to click the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos in the future. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video.